what to do. You come in or what? Come inside or no? You don't know? You don't know. What's up, guys? Jason here with the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it is May 21st. It's a, Wednesday? It's, believe it or not, it's 58 degrees outside. I got a sweatshirt on. It's a little chilly out here. But it is just a gloomy day. A little bit of rain, a little bit of fog. It's just cold. But yeah, today is day one. We're going to go inside and start working on the enclosed trailer. So here we go. I think this might be only the second time I've ever opened this up. When we bought it, I checked it out, but ever since then, we have not even tried it. All right, guys, let me grab my paint here, kind of tell you what's going on. So I got two different types of Behr paint. The part we're going to be working on, the first start, I'm going to do the walls. In the walls, I chose exterior flat. It's a Behr Premium Plus paint and primer. I'm hoping 1 gallon's going to work. And for the floor, we got the special, this is the Behr Premium Floor Coating. It's textured low luster on enamel. So it's like a porch and patio paint. And the key thing about it is that it's anti-slip. So I wanted that for the ramp and the floors. So many falls. So here are the two colors I went with. I like the browns. So I went with, the floor is going to be this color called Leatherwork. It's kind of a nice leather color. And then for the walls, it's called Time Out. So these two together will make up the interior of it. So that was a pretty cool combination. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll start working with the walls and the Time Out color tonight. Really the goal here is to get everything painted, and then definitely want to get a tire mount for the wall, and then get some of that E-track put in there, and maybe just kind of see what else is available for these trailers. I really haven't dived that far into that. I probably need to here soon, but nothing crazy. Just, you know, places to, you know, shove stuff down the walls, the floor, and maybe a little bit, maybe some shelves or something, maybe in the front with the tire, you know, the floor, maybe some kind of shelving up there would be great. We can put a few small things in there. Nothing crazy, but that's the plan. So let's get the paint out, and we'll start using a brush and going around the whole edges, and then later we'll probably come in with a roller and do all the big portions. So here we go. All right, guys, so I got everything kind of set up here. I got a light in here, and been using the brush and just been kind of going around and doing the areas, you know, where I can just use a brush. That way I can get the roller around it. So like around this light, I did around the doorway. So that's all done. This air vent, just use the brush, went right around there. And that way we can run a roller. So the last part I gotta do is right down there is one more air vent. Painting's never been my thing. It's Sherilyn's thing. She loved to paint stuff. I think she gets it from her dad, Bob. How's it going, Bob? Bob likes to paint too. Hi guys, I think we're gonna call it quits. Got like 2 sides done, but definitely looking at it, I think we're definitely gonna need a second coat on here. I think the wood's just absorbing the paint, and it just doesn't look even. Kind of looks like a marble look, so we're gonna have to definitely just do a second coat.
Caught you red-handed.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay, so it's tan-handed.
How's it going?
Nice job.
Thanks. You can step in here if you want and take a look. How's it going? How's your day? How you doing? Mm-hmm.
Such a nice job.
Yeah. It's probably gonna need a second coat because it's not laying right. You see, it's
Okay.
like kind of marbled.
Okay.
All right, guys. I'm just gonna put everything here in a trash bag. That should keep it perfect for tomorrow. Probably gonna take us a few days to get this thing where we need it to be, but there we go. So it's part 1, and we'll catch up with part 2 with this rest of the side walls, and yeah, move it along. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.